Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Real Life English. Today spoken English. మీరు ఏమి చూశారు? What did you see? ఎవరు వచ్చారు? Who came? ఎవరిది? Who is this? విషయం ఏమిటి? What is the matter? ఏమి వ్రాయబడింది? What is it written? ఎక్కడ ఉంది? Where is it? ఏమైంది? What happened? ఎప్పటి నుండి? From when? ఎప్పుడు వస్తావు? When will you come? If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.